Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wow, what a day. We had one hot and humid day here today and I had yard work to do. Boy oh boy, it kicked my tail. I got it done though. I will let you guys know I had a change of heart. I decided I'm not going to go to Rockford. And yeah, I was thinking about it and I was just like, I think I'm going to save the money. And I'm going to stick around Michigan. I'll probably race a couple local tracks and just have fun doing it. It's purely financial with gas prices, the cost of hotels, and cost of entry fees and food and all that other stuff. I just decided it was more prudent to stay home. So I'll probably hit a couple local tracks and stay close to home. All right. So you didn't come here to hear all that. You came here for model cars. But first, I want to thank you guys for all the likes and comments on that 32 appreciation build. I had a lot of fun with that. Even though that was an MPC kit and it gave me a couple fits, I had a lot of fun doing that. And I'd like to add some more of those to my stash. I built them all. I built the coupes, I built the roadsters, and I built the sedan deliveries. And I think my favorites are the sedan deliveries. I've got a lot of ideas, so I'd like to add a bunch more to my stash. Man, looking at some of the videos and some of the pictures they submitted, some guys went all out. Some of those 32s are phenomenal. Just mind-blowing. But, yeah, man. So anyway, let's get to these stash ads, shall we? So we ended up at Hobby Lobby tonight after dinner. And I picked up a couple kits. 40% off week. It's always good when it's 40% off. And I have not depleted Hobby Lobby just yet. So there's still some kits over there that I don't have that I wanted to add to my stash. So the first one is this one right here. I built this a time or two, and currently I don't have a 71 in my stash. I have a few 70s in my stash, but I don't have a 71. And actually my wife picked this out. She's a big fan of CUDAs. I think she just likes saying the word CUDA, but she's also a big fan of Plum Crazy Purple. No surprise there. So I told her, I said, if you were going to pick a model today, which one would you pick? And she pointed that out, and I said, okay. So I grabbed this one. So I'll build it for her. This next one is Old Tom's fault. I want you guys to go over to Ramblers69, and I want you to tell him what a bad influence he is on me. I've been looking at this kit for months, and I just didn't pull the trigger on it. I wanted to see a build or two of it, and Tom is over there doing a buddy build right now with this very kit, and he's done one in the past, and I went and I watched his video on it to see what it actually looked like and all that, and because of his video I was pretty satisfied and answered the questions that I had about this kit. Now if you know anything about me, I don't build supercars. I'm a muscle car and hot rod type of guy, but this kit for some reason captured my attention and I wanted to add it to the stash. So you probably get to see me build this one eventually. So Tom, you're a bad influence. Shame on you. I'm just kidding. So Sunday's Father's Day, and I got some really cool Father's Day gifts that have nothing to do with modeling, but I did get a Father's Day gift that is about modeling. So we were in the aisle, and I was looking, as I normally do. I can spend an hour standing there and looking at models, because like I said, I have not depleted everything in Hobby Lobby yet, and there's still some things, and my imagination runs wild, and I start thinking about buying this kit and building that kit, and buying these two kits and kit bashing them, all kinds of things, right? So yeah, there's still some stuff at Hobby Lobby that I don't have just yet. So then my daughter, my middle daughter, comes walking down the aisle, and she goes to the end of the aisle and she grabs a kit off the shelf and she starts walking back to me. And I said, "Oh, you're gonna build that?" And she's like, "No. Happy Father's Day." I've been wanting this for a really long time. I haven't pulled the trigger because I don't know anything about these kits, to be honest, and I've never built one. I've built ships, I've built planes, I've built cars and trucks. I've never built anything like this. And I definitely wasn't going to pull the trigger. At one time, this kit was $69.99 at Hobby Lobby. And there was no way in hell that I was going to pay $70 for something that it's just not in my wheelhouse. They dropped the price to $44.99, and of course this week is 40% off. My daughter bought it for me for Father's Day. So if you guys have built this kit, leave some comments down below and let me know what I'm in for. I'm definitely going to build this on the channel. I'm a big fan of The Mandalorian. I'm a big fan of Star Wars, you know, but I don't build this stuff generally. So let me know in the comments. Oh, and Mike, Mr. Hot Wheels man. So I picked me up a bone shaker tonight, right? Yep, picked me up a bone shaker. I really dig this. I cracked one. Yep, I'm gonna play with this one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I got for this video. I hope you have a good night. Oh, before I go, look for the 500 sub giveaway video. It's coming up at midnight. Thanks for watching.